Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to find slanted blur effect in CapCut and how to use it. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So instead of teaching you on how to find the slanted blur effect in CapCut, what I'm going to teach you is how to blur a specific look or a specific area in your video or photo using CapCut. So if you want to know how to do that, you can just go ahead and keep on watching. So first, open your CapCut on your PC or your phone if you're using your phone, and then just upload your file and place it into your timeline. And after that, click into the effects and then click onto the basic and then choose the blur effect, and then just drag and drop your chosen blur effect into your timeline and click export. So if you're using your phone, you can just go ahead and click the plus button beside the blur effect. So after that, it should be applied into your project, and after that, delete the blur effect and place the previously exported file above the original clip. So remember, on the previous step, it says right here to export after applying the blur effect. So after exporting it, delete the blur effect and then place the previously exported file on the original clip, and after go to the video and then click into the mask and select your preferred mask shape. So here are the options that you have. So you have split, those two are a circle, rectangle, heart, and star. So you can just go ahead and pick from your options. So that's it for this video. That's how you can blur a certain part of your video using your CapCut. So I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.